12-year-old mare that we were getting ready to try for Jake Ashworth here. I got to walk around her, been around her for only a couple days really, seen Jake have her around. Really quiet, seems to be really good. Good bone, great feet, easy to get around. Really quiet, seems like the story says kids ride her around at the rodeos, everything like that. Well put together, about the right size for great head horse I feel like. So we'll throw a saddle on her now and see how she is turning one. done running. Shoot, about 8 steers on this one. Felt like she was really good. She hadn't been headed on in a while. Talking to Jake, his kid's been riding her. He's been kind of doing some other stuff on her. Kind of come back quick, good in the box. Feel like it's going to come back fast to her. She's got good foot speed, handles pretty well. A little green through the corner sometimes here and there, but I don't think it's anything to worry about. She's going to come together good, be a great World Series horse, short stride, get it on cows, handle cows. She could use a little bit of help in her finish, but that's going to come. I feel like she's got enough talent and ability to do that, put together the right way. It's a great option for somebody to get going to the World Series and do some winning.